This is 2.3 day 1, where we're using the distance formula to write an equation. So we're going to use the distance formula to write an equation of the parabola with focus f(0,2) and directrix y equals -2. So first we need to identify or remember the distance formula. So that's d equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And so we notice the line segments drawn from points F to P and from point P to D. F to P and P to D. And by definition of a parabola, these line segments must be congruent. So therefore, PF equals PD. And so we're going to find the distance between those 2 points. And so let's label it. Let's say our point here will be x2, y2, and then to F, this will be our x1, x sub 1, and then y sub 1, and then on D, it'll also be our x sub 1, comma y sub 1 for our other side. So if we're looking at the parabola, PF, okay, so let's figure out what this one is. So we do x sub 2, so this is this value, and then with the x sub 1, which is this value here. So it's going to be x minus x squared plus our y value, so y minus a minus 2 squared. So this equals the square root of the other side. And so again, we're looking at our x sub 1, or x sub 2 to our x sub 1. That will be x minus 0 squared plus our y value, y minus 2 squared. So let's simplify this a little bit. We know that the x's cancel here, so let's write it out. We now have the square root of y plus 2 squared equals the square root of x squared plus y minus 2 squared. Now, in order to cancel out or get rid of the square roots, we square each side. So now what we have is y plus 2 squared equals x squared plus y minus 2 squared. So now we have to finish expanding. So let's expand this side first. So as a reminder, when we have y plus 2 squared, this is just my extra work, that this just means it's y plus 2 written twice. Y plus 2, y plus 2. And so if you remember FOIL, that's first outside. So first is y squared. Outside is y times 2, or 2y. Inside is positive 2y. And last is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this simplifies to y squared plus 4y plus 4. So y squared plus 4y plus 4. On the right side, we have x squared, and then we have to expand the y minus 2 squared. It's very similar. And so let's do that one. That's y minus 2 squared, or that ends up being y minus 2 times y minus 2. Let's do FOIL again. This is y squared minus 2y minus 2y, and then plus 4, or y squared minus 4y plus 4. So y squared minus 4y plus 4. So now let's combine like terms. Let's subtract 4 from both sides. And so we notice that that cancels it out here. Let's subtract y squared from both sides. And so that cancels out. And so just to rewrite it so we can see it a little bit easier, a little nicer, is 4y equals x squared minus 4y. So let's go ahead and add 4y to both sides here. So now I have 8y equals x squared. Let's isolate the y. So therefore, our final equation is y equals 1/8 x squared. So try it out on the next example here. And it's the same one we did in class, but maybe if you need to try it out or didn't get a chance to try it out, just stop the video and then the next video will show you how to do it.